Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we will try to understand. So, we will have an understanding of a half adder circuit diagram and truth table. So, in our previous class, we had an introduction to combinational circuit. So, there we have clearly explained what is meant by a combinational circuit, and we have clearly explained that we are going to understand different types of combinational circuits. So, in those different types of combinational circuits, the simplest possible combinational circuit is half adder. So, what is this half adder is? It is an arithmetic combinational circuit. What is the job done by this circuit? So, a combinational circuit is going to implement some logical operation. So, what kind of operation this half adder combinational circuit is going to implement is a half adder arithmetic circuit adds two binary digits. So, what is the job done by this circuit? So, without the human intervention, so this circuit is going to add two numbers. Okay, so far we have seen some logic gates, but using those logic gates, we are going to design the system in such a way so that those digital circuits are performing some kind of operations. So, what is the operation that is performed by this combinational circuit is, this circuit is going to produce the sum of two binary digits. If you take two binary digits, so the number of input combinations that are possible with two variables is 4 combinations. So, what are those combinations? What this circuit is capable of? It is capable of producing the sum of 0 plus 0, and so it is going to add two binary digits giving sum bit and carry bit. So, when we add two binary numbers, they are going to produce a sum bit and a carry bit. Carry bit means the extra bit that is generated after the sum. Okay, so if you add 0 and 0, it is going to be a 0 and the carry. So, this is the sum bit and the carry is 0 because it is not going to produce any extra bit. And similarly, if you take 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. And if you take 1 plus 0, so these are the different combinations that are possible with 2 bits. So, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, and if you do 1 plus 1, here comes the carry. So, this is what we call it as a carry, and this is sum. The sum is 0 and the carry is 1. The extra bit that is generated after the sum of two binary digits 1 and 1 is 1 plus 0. So, 1 0. So, 1 plus 1 is 2. That binary representation of 2 is 1 0. So, 1 0 is produced of the after the summation of 1 and 1. So, it is going to produce an output of 1 0. So, this is what we call it as carry bit. Now, we will try to see the truth table of this. Truth table of this is, whenever we have 0 and 0, whenever we do the sum of 0 plus 0, it is going to produce a carry of 0. This is sum. This is going to produce a sum of 0 and a carry of 0. So, nothing has been produced, so the carry is 0. If you take the sum of 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 is going to produce a sum of 0 and a carry of 0. Similarly, if you take 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0 is going to produce a sum of 0 and a carry of 0. And if you take 1 and 1 plus 1, if we take 1 plus 1, it is going to produce a sum of 0 and a carry of 1. Okay, so this is the truth table for binary addition, 2-bit binary addition. So when we do this, these are the values that are produced for sum, and these are the values that are produced for carry. So, if you closely observe the values of sum, how they are resembling. So, how they are resembling is, so these concepts has already been discussed in our previous section where we have discussed about logic gates and Boolean algebra. There we have said that, so this output is resembling like a XOR gate. What is an XOR gate? An XOR gate will produce an output of 1 whenever the inputs are different. Whenever the inputs are different, then only it is going to produce an output of 1. So here these inputs are different, so it is going to produce an output of 1. So the sum is resembling XOR gate. And if you closely observe the carry is resembling AND gate. So what is an AND gate? AND gate produces an output of 1 where every value of the input is 1. So whenever every value of the input is 1, then only the AND gate is going to produce an output of 1. Because it is a two inputs, because we have two inputs, so we are going to produce an output of 1 whenever both the inputs are 1. So this carry is resembling an output of, so is resembling a logic gate of and this sum is resembling the output of XOR. So what is the logic circuit? What is the combinational circuit for this half adder? So it is going to be in this way. So the inputs are A and B, and the sum is going to be produced by the logic gate XOR gate. So the sum is going to be produced by the, so the output that is going to be produced here is sum. And if we take the values of the carry, so how these carry values are produced is the carry values are produced, okay, the carry values are produced by the AND gate. Okay, so now this is the output produced by the AND gate is going to be a carry value. So what does this mean is, for example, if the input is 0 0, the values of A and B are 0 0, so what is the value that is produced at the sum? So whenever 0 0, the XOR is going to produce an output of 0. Whenever 0 0, so the value of A will be transformed here and here. So whenever the value of A and B are 0, so the AND gate is going to produce an output of 0. For example, if the input is 0 1, so the XOR gate is going to produce an output of 1. So the sum is going to be 1 and the carry is going to be 1. Okay, the AND gate will produce an output of 0 for the input 1 0. Okay, so 0 1. So if you take 1 0, if the input is 1 0, so A and B will be produced here. So the whenever the input is 1 0, what is the output of XOR gate? XOR gate is going to produce an output of 1. So which means the sum is going to produce an output of 1 and the carry is going to produce an output of 0. So the AND gate, the output is 0. And if you take 1 and 1, so whenever the input is 1 and 1, the sum is going to produce, the sum means whenever the inputs are same, the XOR gate is going to produce an output of 0. Whenever both the inputs are 1, the carry is going to produce, the AND gate is going to produce an output of 1. So this is the logic circuit. This is what we call it as a combinational circuit. So this will be placed in the box. So we have seen the block diagram in our previous video where a box has been designed and to this inputs and the outputs are there. So these inputs are A and B and the outputs that are produced are sum and carry. And within the box we are having the circuit. This is the circuit, we call it as combinational circuit. And what is the operation done by this combinational circuit is, it is adder. It is going to add 2 bits. So whenever we add 2 bits, it is what we call it as a half adder, because if the carry that is going to be, so by the sum of 2 digits we are going to produce a carry. If you want to forward it to the next sum, so the carry has to be forwarded to the next half adder. When we forward the carry to the next half adder, we are not having 3 inputs. So that is the reason why, so it is called as a half adder. Okay, and the job of this half adder is to add 2 binary digits. Okay, in our next class we will try to understand what is meant by a full adder. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding these concepts, please post your doubts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.